Making smoothies every day? In this video, I'm reviewing the 5 best personal blenders, comparing blending power, ease of use, portability, cleanup, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your daily routine. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender, 900 pW, 3, 20-ounce cups, silver, BN301. The Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender is a better fit if you want a little more power and multiple cups for everyday blending. Its 900-watt motor gives it more power than the Nutribullet, which can be helpful when you're working with frozen fruit, thicker smoothies, and other tougher ingredients. The biggest advantage is the 3 20-ounce cups. Having multiple cups is convenient if you prepare different drinks throughout the day or if more than one person in your household uses the blender. The personal size design also makes it easy to prepare a smoothie and take it with you, rather than transferring everything into another container. The trade-off is that the 20-ounce cups are smaller than the Nutribullet's 24-ounce cup, so anyone who prefers a larger individual smoothie may favor the Nutribullet. Overall, the Ninja Nutri-Plus is best for busy households, fitness users, and smoothie fans who want more motor power and multiple personal cups for quick, convenient blending. Number 2. Magic Bullet Personal Blender for shakes, smoothies, food prep, and frozen blending, 22 ounces, 250 watt, silver, MBR 1101. The Magic Bullet Personal Blender is a compact option for people who want a simple way to make smoothies, shakes, and small food prep recipes. Its 22-ounce cup is well suited to individual servings, making it convenient for quick breakfasts, protein drinks, or afternoon smoothies. The biggest advantage is its small and straightforward design. With a 250-watt motor, it's aimed more at basic everyday blending than demanding kitchen jobs. That makes it easy to keep on the counter and convenient for smaller kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms. It can be a good fit for softer fruits, simple smoothies, and protein shakes, especially if you don't need advanced controls or a high-powered motor. The main limitation is power. If you regularly blend large amounts of frozen fruit, ice-heavy drinks, or thick mixtures, a 900-watt model will generally make more sense. Overall, the Magic Bullet is best for students, apartment dwellers, and casual smoothie drinkers who want a compact blender for basic personal-sized drinks. Number 3. KOIOS Smoothie Blender Kitchen, 900W Personal Blenders with 3 to-go cups. The KOIOS 900W Personal Blender is worth considering if you want stronger blending performance while keeping the convenience of a personal blender. The 900-watt motor gives it considerably more power than basic entry-level models, making it better suited to smoothies, frozen ingredients, and thicker drinks. Another advantage is the inclusion of 3 to-go cups. That gives you flexibility when preparing multiple drinks and can be especially useful for couples, families, or anyone who likes to prepare drinks ahead of time. The personal blender format keeps the process simple. You can blend your drink and take it with you instead of transferring it into another container. The main limitation is that this is still a personal blender. If you're making large batches for a family, you'll probably want a full-size countertop blender instead. Overall, the KOIOS is best for fitness enthusiasts, smoothie fans, busy households, and anyone who wants stronger blending power with multiple cups for everyday convenience. Number 4. Conchied 11-piece blender for kitchen and personal size, 900 peak watts. The Conchied 11-piece blender is a versatile choice if you want more than a basic single-cup personal blender. With 900 peak watts and an 11-piece setup, it gives you more flexibility for smoothies, shakes, and other everyday kitchen prep tasks. The multiple pieces are useful if you like having different containers or accessories available depending on what you're preparing. The personal size format also keeps smoothie and shake preparation convenient without requiring a large appliance on your counter. This makes it appealing for people who want one compact system that can handle several everyday blending needs. The trade-off is that a larger accessory set also means more parts to clean and store. If you only make one smoothie each morning, a simpler blender could be more convenient. Overall, the Conchied is best for home cooks, smoothie enthusiasts, and users who want a more versatile personal blending system with multiple pieces rather than a basic 1-cup blender. Number 5. Nutribullet Personal Blender, Shakes, Smoothies, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 24 ounces, 600 watt, dark gray, NBR 0601WM. The Nutribullet Personal Blender is a simple, compact choice for anyone who mainly makes smoothies, protein shakes, and quick blended drinks. Its 24-ounce cup is a convenient size for a single serving, so it's especially useful for busy mornings, workouts, or anyone who doesn't want a full-size blender taking up counter space. The 600-watt motor is capable of handling everyday ingredients, including many fruits, vegetables, and frozen items. What I like most here is the straightforward design. There aren't a bunch of complicated settings to figure out, you can keep your routine quick and simple. It's also a practical fit for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and home offices, where counter and storage space can be limited. The main limitation is capacity. If you're regularly making smoothies for multiple people or blending large batches, the 24-ounce personal format will feel restrictive. Overall, the Nutribullet is best for single users, students, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a simple personal blender for everyday smoothies and shakes. Those are my picks for the 5 best personal blenders. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or quick drinks, there's an option here to fit your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.